Hey guys, this is Mr. Phillips, and I just wanted to check in as you're getting ready to do this Webquest and see if you had any questions and walk you through this. Since you might be doing this on your own, I thought I might show you a little bit of what we're doing so that you will hopefully be clear to go. We're on the task page of the website, and you've listened to my introduction. You've gone down, hopefully, you've clicked on the Webquest product, which looks like this. This sheet is the note sheet that you will have to as your product at the end of this web quest, which will also help you study down the road for both in-class assessments and state assessments. So the web quest itself is sort of a fun, autonomous way for you to learn a key standard, but we're never far away from the fact that we do have to know the material to add to our state tests. So I wanted to show you how to work through this and how you can hopefully use it to help yourself study. Um, First of all, let me remind you all that even though we're using information from the internet that is not our work, when we turn in this assignment, we want to make sure that we're not plagiarizing. That is, that everything is done in your own words, and if we are using outside sources for anything, especially in direct quotes, that we're giving credit to those sources. So work your way through the document and you'll see kind of what you need to do. It's very clear. It outlines what you need to do, how you need to do it, and so forth. Make sure you focus on the different countries, different governments on the document, the policy of appeasement, the continued German aggression is number 5. And then we get to the second part of the web quest, which is leaders of World War II. I'm going to navigate back over here and click on the process page of the web quest, and you'll notice down at the bottom that it has your list of leaders with a link to click on right here. And the causes, which is from part 1, each have their own link, which will take you to outside sources to help you know more about the information. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me if we're doing this on a digital learning day or see me in class. Thanks, and I hope this was helpful.